folks, welcome back. We're starting the week with a fun one, Endless Nameless by Nirvana. Let's crack on and talk through some of the ingredients for this crazy tune. First off, the tuning. It's standard tuning with the exception of the low E string, right? And that goes down to... to that, right? Which is roughly like a D sharp. So just keep going until it gets that floppiness, right? And you'll hear some overtones at the beginning, which is the second fret and the open E, right? So that's how you know that you're there. The rest of it is all standard tuning. Now, in terms of pedals, you want a chorus pedal with the rate set fairly high. Easiest way to dial that in is to listen to the... to dial it into something around that level of warbliness, and then you're going to need some distortion. I'm using the Mother Load from Crazy Tube Circuits with these settings. For all that. And that is all you need. So let's crack on with the intro. So chorus is on, clean tone. And you'll hear that rhythm with the second fret coming into play, right? It's very subtle. So you're just overshooting a little bit. Don't worry too much about the rhythm though, you know. And then the distortion kicks in and we've got... And I would accent that quite heavily on the first beat and play the 0 and 2 there, right? Then you're going to do these cool little bends, right? You're playing double stops, so you gradually push them upwards, right? That. You could play them here, which is like, what's that, 15, 16, 17 if you want, but I think Kurt actually played them there. So you're going to play 9 times the first time round, and then 7 open, right? Repeat that whole thing twice. Then you slide up 2 frets to the 14th fret. This time you're just going to do 8 and 8. Then you go up to the 16th fret and you do that for 2 bars. Then you're into the verse. The verse goes... and repeats round. So you do 4 on the low E, or whatever it's tuned to, 4 on the 12th fret, then 4 on the low string, 4 on the 13th fret. And you repeat that round 3 times. Now Kurt does veer off a bit, right? So he may go... you know, it doesn't really matter what you're playing, okay? So, no, feel free to express yourself. The 4th time round actually it goes... So you stay on the low 6th string, right? Then that gives you time to click off the distortion, and then you're going to go for this. Alright, like that. So I wasn't playing exactly as per the tab, but if you want to, then the first time round it plays... That's kind of what he plays the first time, but thereafter, right, you're just going to be playing essentially the 2nd fret, and then the open strings. Any one, right? And you're talking string 2, 3, and 4. Slide your 1st finger down for the 2nd bar. Roughly just pick random notes out, right, with that sort of... That's the sort of vibe you want to go for, right? Back into another verse. This time it's the same both times. Play that 4 times. Then you go... You're going to play that. Some more double stops. 3, 2, 0. Basically on the 3rd and 4th string. And that last one you play. So you essentially play 3, 2, 0 5 times. Then back into... And then that's it. Those are all the parts you need. After that, it is just, you know, thrash around, make loads of noise, smash your guitar up. And you're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.